Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the Dell Tower Desktop ECT1250, a modern desktop built for smooth, everyday performance. Powered by the Intel Core Ultra 7265 processor with integrated AI capabilities, this system is designed to handle multitasking efficiently. Whether you're running multiple apps, editing documents, or working on light creative projects, everything feels responsive and stable. It comes equipped with 16GB of DDR5 RAM and a fast 2TB SSD, so boot times are quick and applications load in seconds. File transfers are speedy, and switching between tasks feels seamless. The integrated UHD graphics are suitable for productivity, streaming, and light content creation. The tower also supports multiple displays, giving you flexibility for expanded screen space, whether for work or entertainment. Design-wise, it's clean and professional, built with a focus on simplicity and easy upgrades thanks to its toolless access panel. Now, it doesn't include a dedicated graphics card, so it's not aimed at high-end gaming or heavy 3D rendering. But for business, home office, and general productivity, it performs very well. Overall, the Dell Tower Desktop ECT1250 delivers reliable speed, modern features, and a sleek design in a practical, everyday package. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.